8 divided by 2, then times 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And 2 times 4 gives us 8. So 8 divided by this 8, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. Here in this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and this parentheses. As I said, first we have to do parentheses. So first this parentheses, and after this parentheses we have one division and one multiplication. Division and multiplication have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So after this parentheses, we need to do this division, and finally we do this multiplication. So inside this parentheses we have 2 plus 2, which equals 4. So 8 divided by 2, then times 4. Now we have one division and one multiplication. As I said, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So 8 divided by 2, which equals 4. And 4 times 4 equals 16. So therefore, our final answer to this problem is just 16. The correct answer is 16.